All right, y'all, and just like that, man, the Ram Reezy is complete, man. Shout out to my guy John here at Four Wheel Parts, Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, man. That's my guy. I rock with him heavily, man. So let's go ahead and start the Ram Reezy, man. Hold on 1 second now. About to be majestic. I ain't heard that thing in a long time. Look at the light bar. Damn, it went off again. So pretty much what I got was I got an alignment, I got a rotation, I got a bunch of their oil change, I got a bunch of different stuff that happened to the Ram Reezy, stuff I just had to touch up on and make sure it's up to date and, you know, all the way kosher and copacetic. But now we are pulling off, man, and that thing even sound better, even feel better. It's even turning better. That thing, okay. Yeah, okay, John, I appreciate you, baby. About to go ahead and drop this off, man, and then head to see my guy Davey, his mom, and Pops and all that, man. So without further ado, I'll see y'all when we get there, baby. Go on. There go Ethan's dessert.
It's just fruit and whipped cream. Oh, no.
How you like it, E? It's really a chocolate bag.
Yeah.
That's crazy. You gonna eat all that?
No.
Yeah, I didn't think so either. You got Kimmy DTV. You got Daviana's sis, her beautiful daughter. You got Mom. What's up, Twyla? You got Pop, Big Embarrassing himself. And you got Big Embarrassing Jr. right there. Look at him. Look just like. You see why I do this on Instagram. Go get my follow on there. You know what I mean? Yeah, but we out here, man, right before the LA trip and all that, man. Just, you know, just linking up with the family, doing something legendary.
That does
but
look good, Ethan.
it does look good.
Because that's chocolate. The box is chocolate.
Yeah, that's crazy. Is it edible?
It's supposed to be chocolate.
Edible.
Isn't it? Yeah. It's supposed
Pure
to be.
chocolate, huh?
And they just put
Okay.
stuff in there.
Anybody want to say anything? Dave, you want to say something? You want the G Squad to follow you on the Instagram? No? Well, the Instagram don't look like that, girl. You know you gonna put the filters on, put the little edits. You know, look at him. Damn, Bob, you ain't gonna say that? You ain't gonna say your grace or nothing?
Huh?
Now we are here at Pristine Detail, man. All their info will be in the description below. If you're real G Squad, y'all know what this place is, man. I'm here getting the Ram Reezy clean, man. My guy right here always helping me out big time. Say what's up to him, baby. He always helps out and shows me big love, man. Helps me out with the Ram Reezy and the Hellcat, man. Got my other guy over here help me vacuum out, you know, the Ram Reezy mats and all that. I got the other stuff over there. Say what's up to him, man. Yeah, man, I appreciate their help, man. Big time, every single time. But the Ram Reezy is finally being cleaned, y'all. Look at it. Makes a big time difference, don't it, man? Just want to give y'all an update and let y'all know everything that's happening, man. Thing is finally, man, it's been long overdue for a long time, man. So shout out to my guy here at Pristine Detail, man. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, because y'all gonna get on all those first before you get this actual video on YouTube. So you're really missing out if you ain't got me on Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook, man. And make sure y'all subscribe to this YouTube channel as you're watching this video, man. But yeah, man, I'll holler at y'all in a minute when everything is kosher and all cleaned up, man. Ethan just got done getting his little fresh cut. My dog Wayne. That's Real Wise. The other ones, that's his homies, right? All right, I'll have both of those in the description below. Got Ethan all the way together. Appreciate you, man. Say thank you. Just got done getting some fresh cuts with my dog E here in St. Paul, Minnesota at Fields of Hair right there, man. We walked down from Pristine Detail. It's like a block or two away from Pristine Detail while the Ram Reezy was getting all washed up, man. But you see your boy had to get back in action. Show him yours, E. Let's see that side design. Show him that. It ain't even cold.
It is cold.
Show him the other side. Ooh, hey, you on my hoodie? I ain't even got no hoodie on, so you know I'm all the way kosher, and it's not that bad here, man. So this is actually type summertime in comparison to the winter that we just had, man. But anyway, without further ado, see y'all when we get to Pristine. Now we are walking back up to Pristine Detail, man. Like I said, all their info will be in the description below. You know they got an old Viper here too, E. GTR, 4Runner. I still haven't did a review on one of those things, Champagne. You got an Audi R8 right there. Dodge Charger, you got my guy. What's up, man? Appreciate you. See, look, the old Viper, E. Crazy, right? Got the Subaru joint, Kia Stinger. Everybody knows how much I like those Kia Stingers. I did a review on it. If you haven't watched it, go check that out. And we got a Sylvia. And then you have the Ram Reezy, man. That thing is sitting big time greasy now. It's been a long time, baby. Fresh is so clean now, huh? It's been a long time, huh, champ? Oh, you like this? That's hips. But yeah, man, anyway, let's go. I almost forgot. I got to put my tabs on the Ram Reezy as well. Try to get on there perfectly. Hey, got it on there. First shot, headshot out there. It's a little crooked. Shit. Now we are here at High Tech Motorsport. Make sure you go subscribe to my guy Bart's YouTube channel, man. We got Ethen. Go subscribe to his channel. elite_E, right, E? Link will be in the description below. Instagram, you know me as Lil E. Instagram link below. And you got Rack That Kim, who doesn't accept nobody on Instagram. But go ahead, Bart. You have somebody run your Instagram, Bart. You're a dinosaur, bro.
No, he's not.
Troglodyte.
Troglodyte.
Troglodyte. And so the Hellcat's all back there put together. You'll notice all the parts are gone. So what we couldn't put back in the car, yes, the nuts and bolts, we just threw those away.
Oh, damn, brother. I said, hold on. We need to fasten that up.
Yeah, no, we're all set. The battery's all charged up. We're just ready to fire it up and get you out of here.
And you said we got the rims and the drag radios. Look at the drag radios I was saying about E right here. Look at them joints. Ready to go to that drag strip, the Mickey Thompson Street SS's on that thing right there. And obviously my spare rims. And these are my 10.5 rims. These aren't the regular 9.5 rims. These are 10.5. So, you know, I got them 305s on there. Look crazy, huh, E? Hit that drag strip when I get to Cali, champ. That's gonna be crazy, legendary. But you got the other one right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have these two, put them in the back of my truck in the Hellcat, and I'm gonna swap them myself, put them on the Hellcat, and then bring them to the drag strip when I get to Cali. And these tires are still all relatively brand new. These are 275 joints I had on here for a while. Type summer tire, type drag radial type, but not, you know what I mean? But good tires, nonetheless. Look at the thumbs up. Good tires, man. But everything's all the way kosher and good to go now. I got the sound system in there. The Borla attack exhaust is on there. I did not put the stock muffler on there. My guy John, say what's up, John. They've been working at it all day. I appreciate you, John. Chris, I greatly appreciate y'all too, bro. I know how hard y'all been putting the Hellcat back together, man. Greatly appreciate that. You got the gear thing right here. This is the stock one for my Hellcat. The modded one is up under there, which I got from Bart, and was about $800, right, Bart, for the gear thing?
Yeah.
And then what was the $600 for those drag radios right there? So.
They're more, Dan, don't sell them at those prices. That's below my cost. I give you everything it costs. You got to.
I know, you the man, Bart. Come on. Yeah, it's all right, brother. I appreciate you.
You got to lay some green on me here before you wander off.
I got the green for you. Hold on. I got the green now for you now, Bart. Now, you know I don't like paying. You know I like everything free now, baby. But I'm going to go ahead and give you a lot to the green, the moolah.
So I'll just tell you that I don't live anywhere and this money is going to go.
You ain't got to count that, Bart. It's only about 500 there. I'll give you the rest later. I owe you. No, I swear. But no, man. Oh, damn, you got all that money. Give my money back, Bart. Damn. Bart's rich. He want to take my money, Ethan. Ain't that crazy?
Every day. Just remember that. Money in, money out.
The interior's all put back to normal. Yeah.
One-seated car.
We all the way get. I ain't with that one-seated car, champion. Everything's good. Got the Hellcat tires back on there. Got everything back in here. The grill. Everything's kosher. Good to go. Oh yeah, it's gonna feel good driving this motherfucker, boy. I ain't had it in so long. Ooh, we got the Hellcat on the feeds. Make sure you follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and get my guy Bart a High-Tech Motorsport subscription on the YouTube channel, man. But what you think, E? Is it good to be back? That cold start gonna be crazy. Ooh-wee. A little dusty, huh? Yeah, I know, big dusty. I gotta take this thing to the car wash. I just washed the Ram Reach today. I gotta watch the Hellcat. I'll watch the Hellcat tomorrow before I actually leave. So, yeah. No, I'm just gonna keep that here for you, Bart. I'm gonna let you hold that down. I appreciate you, baby. You're still my guy. You know what I mean? Get a little shout out from Cali.
Oh, by the way, everybody that called. So, guy by the name of I'm gonna kill this kid's name. Raton, whatever.
Okay.
Joe, you just called twice from Texas, 469 area code. I told you he's coming in tonight. All you guys who called thinking Corey still has an office here, he doesn't have an office
He's
here.
not an office guy. He's not.
I'm definitely not an office guy.
He could be. He just doesn't want to be.
Nah. Yeah, with the office.
That's too executive for him. No, he's just rather be at home.
Yeah, I'm not that organized.
No.
But what you laughing? I know you ain't laughing. What'd you say though, Bart?
You could be. Pretty soon get those suits going.
Well, I gotta start structuring it up now. That's for damn sure. Whole life on the line, so gotta get to it, man. That was a long time ago. The original going to go, no, remember that thing flew off and I had to get a new spoiler? And then next you know, that was the only thing that scraped though.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know, right? And I just slapped that thing. I took it off the broken spoiler and put it on the new one. Pretty much. Between the gear ratio thing that's on there now, the stock one is over there. So are you going to just hold on to the stock one for me?
Of course, you're not taking anything home with you. I can tell that just.
Yeah. So you just hold it.
High-Tech Motorsports and storage for Corey.
You damn right, Bart.
Look at the license plate though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know. I was going to say you got the hightechmotorsport.com. I'd rather be racing. Yeah, you know that ain't me. That's definitely Bart's license plate.
I got the other one that says piss on the cops, but I didn't do that.
Oh, don't put that one on here. Hell no. I might get shot next time. I don't want no problems. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, everything's done, man. I can't wait to have the Hellcat back.
If you're ever doing something stupid, you got to have a white friend in the other seat.
Yeah.
That's me.
You know what? If you were there, I think it would have helped a lot. Or my brother, who's a cop. If he would have been there, we'd have been good.
I mean,
For sure.
An old guy like me wandering around, I'm just like, dude, I'm having a stroke.
Yeah, because you could have snapped on them. You could have went crazy and they wouldn't have did nothing to you. Now with the gear thing, does that increase the horsepower or anything like that?
Horsepower stays the same, but the
Over 1,000 to the crank, over 800 to the wheel.
yeah, no, because remember we put exhaust on it. We changed out the. Hang on, I'm thinking maybe I didn't change that much. Yeah, it's about the same.
But saying?
Yeah.
So over 800 to the wheel,
805.
805 to the wheel, and what to the 1,080 to the crank?
No, 1,008.
1,008 to the crank.
I use 20%. All you trolls out there that have your own dyno. I know you don't have a dyno, you don't have a shop. Hey, that makes you feel better. I know, it's only actually $9.97. You missed my money.
Yeah. You know that's what they're going to do, Bart.
They can do whatever
That's
they
called the internet, man.
Yeah, I know.
It gives a lot of people a voice who shouldn't have a voice.
want. Yeah,
you know.
real brave behind the keyboard.
I know, right? I'd delete and block some of their ass, though. Some of the ones that go too crazy. Huh? Ethan, what you doing too, boss? You know you ain't about to put in no work.
I just need you to do all this stuff.
I can't wait to hear the cold start in this thing.
All right, if you're ready to go, fire this bad boy up. Let's see if it runs still. You taking the two wheels with you tonight then on her truck? Or?
Yep, in her truck. I'm gonna take them in her truck, and then next thing you know, I just tow them down with the Ram Reezy, cause I'm towing the Hellcat with the Ram Reezy. Yep, so I got all that stuff all tuned up. The Ram Reezy, the Hellcat, baby. You gotta put that drip on there, Bart. Uh-oh, here we go. So Bart is gonna step on it a little bit, and we're gonna hear that thing rev up. Since it's been so long since we got some good revs in the Hellcat. Damn. Hella loud. LA, here we come, baby. That thing is how it's supposed to sound. I could not go back to the stock exhaust, man. I had to keep the boiler attack on there. Ooh wee, I missed the Hellcat, man. That thing is up and running, man. I feel like dancing, man. Look at the beats. Look at the beats. Hey, 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 hey. Hellcat's up and running, baby. Ooh, I missed my motherfucking car, baby. John, you the fucking man, bro. Appreciate you, man. Chris, you the man, Brody. I appreciate you taking the time out to get the Hellcat all the way together. Damn, I missed my damn car. Look at that thing. Oh yeah, we gonna get you a good wash, baby. We gonna make sure you nice and right. Damn. It's been too long, Bart. It's been too long. Go ahead, pull it up front. We gonna walk up front. Look. Don't jinx me with that, champ. Come on, dog.
It's too loud.
No, there's no such thing as too loud when you're a car dude, champ.
That's what she said.
Yeah, kind of, sort of, huh?
Huh?
Huh? And, so it's official, y'all, man. We got the new tires on Kim's Jeep. Shout out to my guy Bart here at High Tech Motorsport. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel, follow him on Instagram, and all that good stuff, man. And then we got the Hellcat. We got the new drag radials. We got the new gear thing. We got all the stuff that y'all want to see on the Hellcat. And I kept that thing legendary, baby. Y'all thought I was going back to stock. Psych, April Fool's on you. But yeah, that thing's sitting back up and running, man. And I'm happy to have it back, man. But without further ado, man, the video's over. It's done. Are you driving? Well, Bart about to hit me with the damn car. Hold on, damn, you know what I mean? But I gotta take out insurance policy on this shop here. Sue him or something, give me some money, because I'm broke right now, man. All this money I've been paying. You see all the cash I had to give him? But anyway, man, Tall Guy Carvers, man, I'm out of here, baby. I'll see you on the next video, man. We got some big legendary content coming your way, so everybody stay tuned. See you on the next one, baby.